Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic and mind-blowing hypercars to ever hit the road. The Czinger 21C. This car isn't just a machine. It's a statement, a glimpse into what the future of automotive design and performance looks like when cutting-edge engineering meets visionary innovation. Let's start with the exterior. The Czinger 21C looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its design is aggressive yet fluid, with curves that scream speed and aerodynamics. The body is crafted using 3D printed components and carbon fiber, which not only makes it incredibly light but also allows for shapes and structures that traditional manufacturing simply can't achieve. From the low-slung front with sleek LED headlights to the massive rear wing and centrally mounted exhaust, every element is designed for maximum performance and efficiency. The butterfly doors are a beautiful touch, opening upwards to reveal the car's futuristic cockpit. Step inside and the interior is something else entirely. The Czinger 21C features a tandem seating arrangement, meaning the driver sits in the center and the passenger is directly behind, just like a fighter jet. This setup optimizes weight distribution and gives the driver an unmatched sense of control and immersion. The cabin is minimal but high-tech with a digital cockpit and steering wheel inspired by Formula One. You won't find luxury in the traditional sense, but you will find purpose-built excellence. Everything is designed around performance, from the lightweight materials to the strategically placed controls. Now, let's talk performance, and this is where things really get wild. The Czinger 21C is powered by a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with two electric motors. Combined, this hybrid setup produces a jaw-dropping 1,250 horsepower. That's enough to launch the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. The top speed? Around 253 miles per hour. It's not just about straight-liner speed either. The 21C has been fine-tuned for track dominance, with active aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis that delivers incredible grip and cornering ability. But what really sets the Czinger apart is how it's built. Using AI and additive manufacturing, the company created a car that's optimized down to the millimeter for strength, weight, and performance. This isn't just a car that's fast, it's a car that's engineered to be the absolute best at what it does, using methods that are years ahead of the competition. Of course, all of this comes with a serious price tag. The Czinger 21C starts at around $2 million, 0 cents, and only 80 units will be produced worldwide. This isn't just a car you buy, it's a car you invest in, a piece of history that shows what happens when boundaries are pushed and the future is brought into the present. That's it for today's review. If you're into cars that redefine what's possible, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got more game-changing machines coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.